Welcome to Greece. Honestly, I tried to vlog yesterday. We're in Greece. We're so jet lagged. Can you see? Okay. My batteries must die. Rest in peace. I need a coffee. And we'll take you with us on our little excursion. Bye.
I'm excited just to like see all the like historical spots. I'm really excited about the Olympic Stadium, like the first one. I think that'll be cool.
Yeah.
Honestly, like whatever we see, I'm into it. The museum should be interesting.
Yeah.
I'm ready to get cultured on this trip.
Very important to look down when you're walking because there are cobblestones everywhere and big pieces of marble, and so the goal is to not die on this trip. I lost my tour lady, but that's fine. I'm sweating. Trying to get a picture here is like the most impossible thing in the world. There's just so many people.
See where that yellow lady is? I want to try and get a photo.
Right there?
Yeah.
I'm trying to find good gram spots. It's really hard. So I know you can't hear the tour, but I'm gonna give you a little recap. So they took down all of the statues and like the reliefs that were on the outside of the building, and 60% of them are in the British Museum and only 40% remained here in Greece. They don't have a lot of like museums. Wow, that's really close to my face. They don't have a lot of like museums here, and it didn't become a UNESCO heritage site until I think she said 1980 or 1970 it was UNESCO? 1980. So everything before that, like nobody really cared about the preservation, the maintenance, the rebuilding of these historic monuments and buildings. So unfortunately a lot of it got, you know, taken down, kind of ruined, but now that it's protected by UNESCO, they're doing a lot of restoration and trying to bring it back to a little bit more of its glory. Obviously it's an ancient city, so it's kind of crazy that they wouldn't do that, but yeah, that's the tea.
Missing the pieces that were missing, and we try to make a reconstruction in here.
In some of the videos that I took, you'll notice that there's like white plaster and then like the colored marble. Like there versus there. So you can kind of see the difference. So the whiter sculpture and like reliefs, those are plaster replicas. And then the marble is the darker stuff. But a lot of it was either destroyed or kept by other museums, so they have the replicas here, which is kind of disappointing. So these are all plaster replicas.
They are holding the dishes. They are holding.
That one's pretty.
Okay, cool. We're in circle.
Circle back, circle back.
And we will.
I don't know if you heard her, but we're gonna circle back.
Seems like the better of mine.
What are we gonna do?
Where's our plan? bugs.
Oh, hi. Hi.
No, I know you.
5 minutes.
Marathon. Does the word marathon ring a bell? Or 26.2 miles as an example. So where did that come from? That came from the famous Battle of Marathon.
Alright. We're on the boat. We're heading to Mykonos. Athens was really great.
Pretty wild. We were like standing in a place that people were standing like overpriced. Like, just love.
One thing I forgot to mention is that we were at the Acropolis Museum yesterday after the tour, and we were looking at all of the sculptures from like the Parthenon, and all the penises were preserved pristinely, but then the rest of the body of the sculpture was destroyed, which we thought was pretty funny. So we really know what the priorities are here. Also, there's like thousands of sex clubs everywhere. What was one called? Kinky Opera. That was like
Title of my next section.
Welcome to the Kinky Opera. There are no street signs here, so the hotel concierge was like, you just figure things out by looking at stores and shops, and that's how you find your way back. I was like, great. I think we're gonna go chill by the pool for a little bit today. We're a little tired from the trip. We had a very early wake-up call, and then we had to sit on the boat for like 4 hours, so we need some sustenance and then some chill. Wouldn't that be funny? Just bring home a Greek cat. I don't think my cats would like it. Look, she got part of her ear missing. She got in a battle.
No te trate la nube esa grande.
Cheers.
Thank you. Good morning from Mykonos. As you can tell, I'm sick. What else is new? Are we surprised? Absolutely not. But here we are, and I'm sitting on the patio at our hotel. Let me show you, it's really pretty. So today we're gonna go explore some of these churches on the other end of the island, and there's like kind of like a party beach nearby, so I think we're gonna go chill there afterwards and just hang out, relax, and then we're gonna come back here for dinner and maybe go to a little bar tonight. I'm just really grateful to be here. Maybe I will one day. Summer home in Mykonos. My butt is on fire and I love it. No, I love it. We are at Paradise Beach in Mykonos. There's a lady beside us giving a massage to some man from Paris, so that's kind of cool. I like olive oil, I just don't love olives.
Oh, it's nice.
Yeah? Is it like a... It's nice. She shoots it back. Ooh, that's nice. Sesame seeds and honey.
Split it in half.
Yes.
I did not know they grew on a bush like this.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Sometimes they even pick, you know, like you see, it's been a little, it's a little mutilated. They pick the tender leaves and pickle them as well. Spicy or whatever in food tasting because they, you know, take over. But of course, you will have some capers with your Greek salad because on these islands.
Right.
So this would just move like back and forth.
So imagine having a horse or a mule, because a donkey wouldn't be able to move, to, you know, that was, you know, like tied to this thing.
Right.
You go round and around.
Oh, okay.
So, and that's why it's a cylinder. It works, you know, like that.
In a circle, right?
Yeah. Πάμε.
So that you can taste the variety, the taste is clear, and it's always best. And as Christopher's explained, you cannot have olive juice and olive oil only from the white tree. It has to be a blend with another variety.
Supermarket.
Supermarket olive oil.
Your standard olive oil, which we will test to compare and contrast.
Okay.
You have to be careful during the process. It's not that you cultivate oranges and you sell them. You cultivate the olive tree, you take the olives, you take them with the smell.
After you get the first whiff, like Kayla put it, which is, you know, how you do it.
I smell the apple.
So next we can move on to the actual tasting, huh?
Cheers. Are you taking?
It's very nice.
Here you have more.
It's our last day in Paros. Just taking a little walk on the beach. We had an amazing tour today with Christophos and Mary. We went down this like Byzantine trail in Lefkas, and then we had olive oil pairings, and it was delicious. I ate everything. I'm definitely gonna miss like the energy here though, and just like the relaxing vibes, and it's just so nice. Okay, bye. Oh my god, I wasn't filming. Nice. Hopefully they make it. Olive oil.
Show me again. This wall. We just walked past this restaurant, and this man was like, "What are your plans tonight?" And I was like, "Oh, I don't know yet." He's like, "I hope they include me."
Ready?
Yeah.
Yes. That was good. You're fine. You're fucking fine.
So strong.
You're fucking fine. Square up, square up. Kayla, come on. You used to drink like 5 beers a night.
And the aftertaste is nice, but woo!
That's great.
Wow, that looks amazing.
Thank you. Yes, please.
Well, our second last night in Greece. I'm gonna miss it. We're gonna come back when we're 65 though. We made a pact. We made a blood pact. Had a lot of Aperol. Our shutters though. Now we're walking down a dark alley. And I got sand in.
Dark Alley, it's a hotel.
I got sand in my shoe. See you tomorrow on the boat. Jacques Cousteau visited one of these caves and left his signature inside. That's the volcano. I know. We just went swimming inside a volcano, and that was really awesome. It was cold. It was like cold, hot, cold, hot. I bullied her into going with me.